Panels are a great way to reface the exposed side panels of your cabinets, and replacing them is an easy process. Our panels are 5/8 of an inch thick and are painted to match the door and drawer faces you order. You can order new panels for several spots in your kitchen, including the sides of your upper and base cabinets, peninsulas and islands, and fridge openings. For upper cabinets like this one, start by measuring the height. The height of the panel should match the height of the side of the cabinet to ensure a flush fit at the top and bottom. Now measure the width. For a more modern look, you may want to add 7/8 of an inch to the width of the panel so that the panel overhangs the side of the cabinet and sits flush with the face of the door when it is installed. To remove an existing panel, locate the screws on the inside of the cabinet that are holding it in place. Back off the screws, allowing the old panel to be removed. Hold up your new panel and ensure it is a good fit for your cabinet. Align the top and bottom so that the panel is flush with the cabinet and screw it into place from inside the cabinet using screws that are long enough to drive into the panel, but not so long that it goes right through the panel. A 1 1/8 inch long screw with a washer or pan head is usually a good choice. If your wall is uneven, you may need to scribe cut the back edge of the panel so that it sits square with the cabinet. Replacing panels in a kitchen refacing project is a simple task that will greatly improve the overall impact of your renovation. To keep up to date on our how-to kitchen cabinet refacing content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.